Hi. After I've gotten my younger children situated, I come back over to the table with my older children and they are doing their work. Everyone can pretty much do their handwriting and spelling assignments on their own. Usually when the questions happen when they're doing their language arts. So I usually come over and do language arts with my 5-year-old. So I'm going to do that with her right now. And let's start. Okay, so on this page, let's do the capitalization rule. Read rule number 7 for me.
Capitalize initialization.
Initials.
And place proper
periods
after them. And initialization is
initial
is the first letter of a name.
So like Joshua T. Henley would be J. T. Henley. And do you see they're both capitalized?
Yes.
And all the initials would be J. T. H. So what would be your initials? Can you write it down right here? And I think you need a different pencil. Try that one. What's the next? Do you remember what your middle initial is? E. And each, do you remember each initial is supposed to be what?
Capitalized.
Capitalized. Did you capitalize your middle initial?
No.
You can just write right over that. You don't have to erase it.
Or can I do this?
Okay, that works. Now, and remember you have periods between each one. And then you're also supposed to do rule number 8. Read it.
Capitalize titles of respect and place
Periods.
periods after them if they are
Abbreviated.
abbreviated. There is no abbreviation for Miss.
So these are the abbreviations. Do you know what they stand for?
Doctor, Mr., Mrs., Eve,
This stands for reverend, like a
Reverend,
pastor.
Miss.
And remember, Miss is not abbreviated, and so it doesn't have a period after it. So what you're going to do here is you're going to write in these names, and these are either titles of respect or initials or both. And you're going to do what to the beginning of each of them?
Capitalize.
And then if they're initials or titles of respect, what will you put at the end of them?
Period.
A period. Okay, go ahead and start doing that. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through while I do all of that with the worksheet, but I'm going to show you how the question sheet works. I had issues with my children coming to me with questions all at once and me not being able to focus on the child who I needed to focus on at the time. And so what happens is I deal with the preschoolers first, and then I deal with my 5-year-old and have her finish her work, or if she's at a place that she can do everything on her own, and I know she can, then I tell my other children the question sheet is open, and if they have questions, at that point they can come and ask the question. And I have a specific seat, which is the seat next to me, that they can sit at to ask me the questions, and that way it's very obvious who the person is who can ask me questions. So, does anybody have questions?
Me.
Okay. So, how do you need help?
I need help on this. Name one of the fruits of the Spirit. What are fruits of the Spirit?
Do you remember the fruits of the Spirit are
Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness.
very good. The fruits of the Spirit are
Love, joy,
faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Okay,
There's more.
so that's Very good. Okay, you can go back. Do you have any other questions? Okay, you can keep working. And then if no one has questions and my 5-year-old has finished her work, then I grade my children's math that they did today in preparation for tomorrow. That's it. Thank you.